Gather around, everyone. We've got a story that's sizzling hotter than a marshmallow over a campfire. The tech world is abuzz with a rumor so tantalizing it's practically dripping with excitement. Imagine the thrill in a newsroom when a major story breaks. That's the kind of energy we're talking about. Word on the street is that Elon Musk, the man who loves shaking things up more than a Tesla loves a charging station, is about to flip the TV industry on its head. Yes, the same Elon who gave us electric cars and dreams of Mars. And how is he planning to do this, you ask? With a $199 smart TV, of course. A sleek modern device that promises to revolutionize how we consume content. That's right, the price of a decent pair of headphones for an entire television set. Imagine getting a high-quality TV for the same price as your favorite pair of headphones. It's almost unbelievable. It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, hold on to your remotes because things are about to get interesting. This could be a game changer in the world of home entertainment. Now, I know what you're thinking. Trevor, you're pulling my leg, right? This sounds like one of those too-good-to-be-true scenarios. And honestly, I wouldn't blame you. In a world full of wild claims and exaggerated promises, skepticism is a healthy response. The internet is a land of tall tales and even taller claims, especially when it comes to Elon Musk. We've seen everything from flamethrowers to underground tunnels, so why not a budget-friendly smart TV? But here's the thing. Where there's smoke, there's usually fire. And in the tech world, smoke often signals innovation on the horizon. And right now, the rumor mill is pumping out smoke signals like a chimney on Christmas Eve. So, stay tuned because if this rumor turns out to be true, we might just be witnessing the next big leap in television technology. Let's dive into the enigma that's been stirring up tech communities and online discussions, the missing smart TV. Everyone's buzzing about this $199 smart TV, yet no one has actually laid eyes on it. At this moment, there's no solid evidence that this $199 smart TV is real. No store sightings, no online listings, and definitely no unboxing videos from excited tech enthusiasts. No official announcements, no product pages, no leaked images of Elon Musk using it to binge-watch Stranger Things. It's like this product is a phantom haunting the dreams of budget-conscious buyers everywhere. It makes you wonder if someone spiked the Silicon Valley water supply with extra-strength imagination juice. The tech world is no stranger to rumors and wild speculation, but this one is extraordinary. But wait a moment, before we write this off as just another internet hoax, let's explore the possibilities. Just because we haven't seen it doesn't mean it doesn't exist, perhaps hidden away in a top-secret Tesla lab. Tesla has a history of surprising us with groundbreaking innovations. Remember the Cybertruck? People laughed, doubted, and made memes. It was the subject of countless internet debates, and then bam! Elon unveiled that stainless steel beast like it was no big deal. The world was stunned, and the skeptics were silenced. So maybe, just maybe, this $199 smart TV is more than just a figment of the internet's collective imagination. Maybe it's a real product waiting in the wings for its grand debut. Maybe it's a closely guarded secret waiting for the perfect moment to be revealed. Until then, we'll keep our eyes open and our hopes high, ready for the day when this mysterious smart TV finally steps into the spotlight. While the enigma of the $199 smart TV lingers, one fact is crystal clear. Elon Musk is shaking up the TV industry, and he's doing it with a bang. In a move that caught no one off guard, Musk has unveiled his own streaming app, fittingly called XTV. Because when you're Elon Musk, why go for a mundane name like Muskflix or Elon Plus? XTV isn't just a quick attempt to ride the streaming wave. No, this is Elon Musk we're talking about. He doesn't just test the waters, he dives in head first, making waves that can't be ignored. XTV is accessible on all the major platforms. Google Play, LG's App Store, Amazon App Store, you name it. It's almost like he's making it effortless for you to hand over your money. Clever move, Elon. What sets XTV apart from the rest? Why should you be interested in another streaming service? According to Elon Musk, XTV isn't just for watching cat videos and makeup tutorials. It's a groundbreaking innovation. A digital haven where creators can express themselves freely without censorship and viewers enjoy an ad-free experience. Yes, you heard that right. No ads, none at all. It's like entering a world where sponsored content is non-existent. How Elon plans to profit from this ad-free model is still a mystery. Perhaps he'll introduce a subscription fee, or maybe he'll cover the costs himself, like a generous tech visionary aiming to improve the world. Chapter 5. Glitches and Gripes Early Reviews are in. Naturally, no tech launch is without its share of bumps, and the XTV is no different. Early feedback has been varied. with some users applauding the app's sleek design and exclusive content, while others have pointed out the limited content variety and occasional glitches. It appears that even Elon Musk, with his vast resources and team of engineers, can't avoid the inevitable bugs that come with new apps. Some users have also expressed concerns about the app's privacy policy, which they say is harder to locate than a strong Wi-Fi signal at a music festival. And let's not overlook the content moderation issue. Elon has vowed to create a platform free from censorship, but with great freedom comes great responsibility. Or, as Uncle Ben famously said, with great power comes great potential for things to go terribly wrong. Chapter 6. Spectrum Wars, Elon Targets TV Networks. XTV isn't Elon Musk's only venture into the television realm. Indeed, he's known for shaking up industries, and traditional TV is his next target. He's stirring the pot with his idea to auction off TV stations' spectrum licenses. Essentially, he believes TV networks are hoarding valuable airwaves that could be better utilized. And what does he propose as a better use for all that spectrum? Wireless internet, naturally, because, of course, the world needs more bandwidth for TikTok and endless scrolling, right? But in all seriousness, this is a significant issue. The airwaves are a finite resource, and their allocation impacts everything from communication to entertainment. Chapter 7. Media Mogul in the Making, Musk Eyes MSNBC. As if revolutionizing the TV industry with a new app and a bold spectrum proposal wasn't enough, Elon Musk is also exploring established media companies like a dog at a picnic. There are rumors that he's interested in acquiring MSNBC, the news network that's often been a thorn in the side of many conservative politicians. Now, whether this is just Elon being his usual self, flexing his influence and seeing what happens, or a genuine interest in becoming a media mogul, is yet to be determined. But one thing is certain, if Elon Musk does take over a major news network, things are going to get very interesting. Just picture the headlines. Dogecoin becomes official currency of Mars, Tesla Autopilot now includes stand-up comedy routine, Elon Musk challenges Jeff Bezos to a thumb wrestling match on the moon. Chapter 8. Connecting the dots XTV and the Musk master plan. So, where does this all lead us? What is Elon Musk's ultimate goal with his new venture into the television industry? What's the overarching strategy behind Elon Musk's entry into the TV world? Is it just another one of his ambitious projects, or is there a deeper purpose? Are these just impulsive moves from a man who can't stand boredom? Or is there a more strategic vision guiding his actions? Or is there a method to the madness? Could Musk be seeing opportunities that others are missing? If there's one thing we know about Elon Musk, it's that he's a master strategist. He has a talent for turning seemingly wild ideas into groundbreaking realities. He's always thinking ahead, planning 10 steps beyond everyone else. His moves are calculated and his vision is expansive, so it's highly likely that XTV, the Spectrum proposal, and even the MSNBC rumors are all part of a larger plan. A plan that could revolutionize the media landscape as we know it. A plan to create a Muskified media empire that spans everything from streaming services to news networks to, who knows, maybe even interactive content that merges virtual and augmented reality. Imagine a space-based reality show where contestants compete to be the first to colonize Mars. It sounds far-fetched, but with Musk, nothing is off the table. Only time will tell what the future holds for Elon Musk's TV ambitions. But if history is any indicator, it's bound to be something extraordinary. But one thing's for sure. It's going to be incredibly entertaining to watch it all unfold, so grab your popcorn and stay tuned.